Good morning, all of you. Hope all you are fine in your homes. So, okay, guys, today we will learn our chapter number 1, number system, and subtopic is estimation. Okay, so do open your books, page number 12. See, the topic is estimation. Estimation means Purva Anuman. Estimation means Purva Anuman. Before estimation, we must know how to round off a number to the nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000. They said estimation से पूर्व हमको क्या करना होता है कि numbers को round off करना होता है nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000 तक. Okay. For the same, we need the rules given below. और इसी के लिए हमको कुछ रूल्स दिए गए हैं जिनको हमको फॉलो करना है. ओके. The first rule is rounding a number to the nearest 10. How to round the number to nearest 10? There are the some steps. Number 1, see the ones digit of the given number. दिए हुए नंबर की वंस की डिजिट देखनी है हमको. ठीक है. Second step, if one's digit is less than 5, replace one's digit by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. सेकेंड स्टेप में क्या करना है, अगर वंस की डिजिट 5 से छोटी है तो हम बाकी सारी डिजिट्स को पहले वंस की डिजिट को 0 कर देंगे और बाकी के सारे डिजिट्स को सेम रखेंगे. स्टेप नंबर 3, वंस डिजिट 5 और मोर, अगर वंस की डिजिट 5 है और 5 से ज्यादा है तो इंक्रीज टेंस डिजिट बाय 1. तो हम टेंस की डिजिट को 1 प्लस करके इंक्रीज कर देंगे और वंस की डिजिट को 0 कर देंगे. तो ये हमारा फर्स्ट रूल है राउंडिंग अ नंबर टू द नियरेस्ट 10 का. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सॉल्व द एक्सरसाइज 1D क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस रूल. ओके, question number 1 is round each of the following numbers to the nearest 10. First number is 36. Second number is 173. Now solve it. Solution. First is 36. Step by step we follow the rule of rounding of 10. Step 1. Write the number 36 and check the ones digit. Ones digit is 6. 6, which is more than 5. And step number 2, we add the value of +1 and the tens digit and increase the value and replace the ones digit by 0. Okay. So we add 1 and the tens is convert into the 4. In step 2, we write the rule. As we know, if one's digit is 5 or more, increase tens digit by 1 and replace ones digit by 0. Okay, so we add the 1 and 3 and convert it to the 4 and replace the ones digit by 0. We have the answer. Now the required rounded number equal to 40. Answer. Clear to all? Clear to all? Okay. Now part number 2, 173. So we follow same step number 1 and 2, but we write here in a short. In 173, the ones digit is 3. Okay, which is lesser than 5. Okay, so the required rounded number is equal to 170. Okay, clear to all? Now the question number 1 is clear to all. Now we solve the question number 5. Okay, which is also related to the rule of nearest 10. In question number 5, they said estimate each sum to the nearest 10. Here's the question. Estimate each sum to the nearest 10. 57 plus 34. Estimate करना है हमको. We follow the same rules. Solution. And question number they said is estimate each sum to the nearest 10. Fifth number is 57 plus 34. Solution. Solution is 57 plus 34. So 57 estimated to the nearest 10. 57 को एस्टिमेट करेंगे नियरेस्ट 10 तक तो क्या हो जाएगा? अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल द वंस नंबर इज greater than 5, so we plus 1 in tens, so the number is 60 एस्टिमेट होने के बाद। रूल याद रखिएगा सारे बच्चे, ठीक है? रूल नंबर 1, हाउ टू राउंड द नंबर नियरेस्ट 10, ओके? Now next number is 34 estimated to the nearest 10. 34 estimated to the nearest 10. Okay. So how we do it? First we estimate this number according to the rule of round of nearest 10, and the ones where place value is 4, so we know that when the ones digit is smaller than 5, we replace it by 0. So here we write the 30 and now estimated, hence the required estimation is equal to 60 plus 30. It means 90 answer. Okay? Good? Clear to all? Same action we will do in question number 6. 43 plus 78. In solution, 43 estimated to the nearest 10. Same rule we will follow. Once place value is 3, it is smaller than 5, so we replace it by 0, and here the estimated number of 43 is 40. 78 estimated to the nearest 10. Here we see one's place value is greater than 5, so we add the 1 in tens digit and replace the one's value by 0. Here is the estimated value is 80. Okay. Hence the required estimation is equal to 40 plus 80. The answer is 120. Okay. Now solve the question number 7 with the same methodology. The question number 7 is 14 plus 69. Solution. You all of remember the rule? How to round off the number to nearest 10? Nidhi, Vishnu, Shantnu? Abhay Pratap, Shivdat. All of you understand the rule of how to round the number to nearest 10? Okay, that's great. Now do the question number 7. 14 estimated to the nearest 10. First of all, we see the ones digit is 4, which is smaller than 5. So we replace its value by 0. Here is 10. 69 estimated to the nearest As we see, the ones place value is 9, which is greater than 5. So we add the 1 and 7 and tens digit. We convert into 7 and replace the 9 as 0. Okay. Hence, the required estimation is equal to 10 plus 70. The answer is 80. Okay, that's great. Hope all you understand this exercise and all the questions. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye. We will meet tomorrow again with the different different problems and solutions. Okay, so please let's do subscribe, like and share our school channel. Have a nice day.